So we've got data from the Visible Human Project, which is a National Institutes of Health initiative where they basically took slices of a human cadaver and then, similar to a CT scan, we're able to take those slices, stack them back up in 3D. The camera's probably going to have a fun view of it because it's not synced up to the 3D TV.
No.
But if you notice how as I move the tracking glasses around, if I'm wearing them, it'll track my head as we go around. So that, similar to when you kind of move your head to look out a window,
right,
you get kind of a different view through that window. So it's, it's not just 3D, but it's, adds another dimension of depth. And it's not just sticking out in front of you.
Okay. Help me understand what the advantages of a tool like this is.
A tool like this can be used, one, for understanding, just learning anatomy. Here's a heart, what happens, what does it look like inside, and dive right in, look at the internal structures. So learning is step one. Then you can do, if you've got multiple ones of these, you can do comparative anatomy. If you've got a CAD file of your device, you can load it up under the program here and virtually fit it. So, if we have this curve, is it actually going to make it around to reach the valve at the appropriate angle? Or you can flip it and find that angle before designing your device, which would probably be the preferred approach.
And this is much less expensive than doing a clinical trial or
a clinical trial, yes. So this is human data. You could also do the same with CT files. So those are fairly easy to come by. So you could do not just one, but 100 virtual implants just for your cost of time rather than going through animal experiments or animal studies, which, while fairly comparable, they're not human studies. So it is kind of another intermediary. One of the ideas is that it could reduce the number of animals or human subjects required for a trial if you can prove that it should work. We've done 150 anatomical trials virtually. Now, instead of doing 75 humans in our initial study, we only need to do 25.
Oh, wow.
Because we already have it. I mean, it's a lofty goal, and there's a lot of work. The director, Art Erdman, is in conversations with the FDA, trying to make sure that we meet all of their standards and that they're aware of this.